Okay, this one's called Rue de Berlin, Berlin Street, Berlin, Germany. So this street is named after Germany. The one over there is named after France. Down there, just like London. They're all kind of European capital cities, I believe. And we're gonna be going down this Berlin one. So so stay tuned, and I'll down. By the way, these same streets down that way would be named after Portuguese cities. But anyways, let's go down this one. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, Rue de Berlin. First off, you have a nice park right here. This is kind of crossover. Sands Casino is right over there. Grand Lapa Hotel is over that way as well. And this is called Rue de Berlin. And they spell it Berlim instead of Berlin. So the Portuguese for Berlin, I guess, is with an M. Some jade dragons right there. 38,000 mop. 88,000 mop, 60,000 mop. It's like about a, 8 mop is $1. So if you see something like this, $500, I guess. So there's our Rue de Berlin. And I think there's kind of a beautiful trees over there on that side. But this has all the businesses on this side. So maybe we'll walk down a little bit on this side, and then we'll cross over on that side in a minute. Kind of curious about this Cheers place. Say Cheers sells liquor. Japanese? No, Taiwanese. Huh. It's like a Japanese shop, but it says Taiwanese there. Huh. That's some interesting food there. Beef chuck steak. Anyways, it looks kind of interesting. Another liquor shop. Second liquor shop we've seen. It's not like a liquor shop like you'd think with all kinds of liquor. Actually, it's weird. When I see liquor shops, there's not much liquor in them, just a little bit. Wow, those are beautiful. What is that? Amazing. Huh. What's this? Upper One Food Court, Macau. Huh. Organic food. I never walked down the street. I didn't know there was so much. Another wine shop. So that's the third liquor store. But yeah, I was just gonna say, when you go into the this one is chicken, I guess. But yeah, when you go into the grocery stores, there's very large, humongous. What we'll do is we're gonna follow this into here and see. So I got a little bit of construction in here. Kind of follow through. Looks like they're building all the pipes. So they were doing that on the other street as well. So maybe we'll sneak through here. So yeah, they're doing all kinds of stuff in there. Let's kind of go down this way. There's the World Trade Center right there. Look, these kids can play in this little space with a big fence around them. That's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down Rue de Berlin. Lots of little playground areas. Look at those apartments up there. Those look kind of cool. Yeah, there's another Japanese restaurant straight over that way too. Huh. Okay, so this is all the play area. So let's get back into the other stuff again. So Rue de Berlin. Yeah, I never really walk on the street. It's a little bit unusual to walk on it. It's gonna cross, but that's not. Actually, there's not much over there. There's real estate, and then there's kind of nothing but a big residential. This might be more interesting over here. We got another play area. usually don't like to film the play areas that much because I don't want kids on film. So we'll try not to focus on it too much, but it's also good that you know that it's actually here too, right? So we're just gonna go all the way down. Got some beautiful trees all along here. There's Air Macau. And we're gonna go straight down. And I kind of want to give you the context of where we are exactly too. So I want to get to the end of the street so you can see this giant park that's straight ahead. Well, not straight ahead, it's to the left. So there's Zhuhai, Berlim. Now we have this other street right here. There's a giant park right there. And at the end of this park is a Guanyin statue, which you can barely see. So this is where we just came down. This is the park. This is a giant road that goes over, crosses the street from Nape into Zape. So they're right there. Chiquinha,